Welcome the students of class 8. Welcome to our social science history class. So your syllabus have already completed. Now today in this class we are going to discuss some extra short questions because in your upcoming examination some MCQ type short questions will come and you have to choose the correct options from the answers from the questions. Okay. So today I will give you some extra MCQs for your upcoming examination. So this type of question will come in examination, not exactly these questions but this type of questions. Okay, so if you practice this type of questions more and more, so I hope you will attend the examination without any problem. Okay, you can attend the examination easily. So the first question is, it is from chapter number 4. Okay, and the name of the chapter is Tribal Dikus and the Vision of Golden Age. And the first question is, which tribes were not ready to work as laborers? The options are A. Kol, B. Bakarwals, C. Kondh and D. Baigas. Okay, so which will be the correct option? And the correct option is Baigas. Okay, the Baigas in Madhya Pradesh, they were not ready to work as laborers. Okay, question number 2, that which tribe used to work as cattle herders in Andhra Pradesh? And the options are A. Labadis, B. Mundas, C. Santals and D. Bakarwals. So which will be the correct answer? The correct answer is Labadis, A. So Labadis is the tribe by the cattle herders in Andhra Pradesh. Now question number 3. So the question number 3 is, in which year Birsa was arrested? And the options are A. 1894, B. 1895, C. 1896, D. 1897 AD. And the correct answer is 1895. So in 1895 Birsa was arrested and after 2 years in 1897 he was released and he was died in 1900. So remember these important years related to Birsa Munda. Next. Okay, so now the next set of question answers. The number 4, who were Dikus? And the options are A. the British, option number B. Zamindars, option number C. moneylenders, option number D. all of this. Okay, and the correct answer is all of this. Everyone who came from outside, they are called Dikus. So Diku means outsiders. So all of them are outsiders or Dikus. So question number 5, that Bastar rebellion in central India broke out in option number A. 1900, option number B. 1910, option number C. 1920 and option number D. 1940 AD. And the correct option is 1910 AD. Okay. Now question number 6, and the question number 6 is, in many areas forest department set up forest villages to ensure, option number A, a regular supply of cheap laborers, option number B, a regular supply of forest produce, number C, a regular supply of agricultural produce, and option number D, none of this. And the correct option is A, a regular supply of cheap labor. A regular supply of cheap labor is the correct answer. And question number 7, that the revolt of Sangram Sangma rose in the year 1906 in option number A. Bengal, option number B. Mizoram, option number C. Assam and option number D. Odisha. So which will be the correct answer? Students, the correct answer is Assam. So the revolt of Sangram Sangma occurred in Assam. Okay, now in the next set of questions, question number 8, the Khons community of Odisha use sal and mahua for A. hair oil, B. making garland, C. obtaining food and D. for preparing food. So which will be the correct answer? So the correct answer is D, for preparing food. Okay. Now number 9. Number 9 is, name the region where Adivasi group predominantly live. Name the region where Adivasi group predominantly live. And the options are A, northeastern states, number B, central Indian states, number C, South India, and number D, all of these. And the correct option is all of these. Okay, so the last one for today, it is question number 10, that Birsha spent time in the company of Adras preacher. Okay, Adras preacher. So which will be the correct answer? Option number A, Buddhist, option number B, Jaina, option number C, Vaishnava, and option number D, Adivasi preacher. So which will be the correct answer? Correct answer is Vaishnava, option number C. Okay students, so these are some examples and some short questions from your chapter. Read these question and answers carefully, and also read the chapter minutely in detail. Okay, and from this you can found questions common, okay, or you can get an idea from these question and answers. So thank you for watching. Bye.